I've got the solution to not being allowed to have open wood fires in some national parks. This is it right here, the Adventure Kings Camp Oven Stove. This here is 100% legal to use even when open wood fires aren't allowed. The Adventure Kings Camp Oven Stove can run on either wood or on heat beads or other manufactured fuel sources. And because of its design, it's entirely legal to use where open and wood fires are banned. Just fill it with heat beads and you're set for as long as you want. It's great for cooking on with the large flat top that gives enough space for 2 pots or pans. It's also great to use as a heat source in cold weather. And the long chimney with adjustable flue keeps the smoke away from your camp and lets you vary the temperature inside the stove. And when you're done, it all packs away into itself for easy transport and fits perfectly into the optional Adventure Kings 40-litre heavy-duty duffel bag. If you go by the letter of the law, most councils say open wood fires aren't actually allowed in most backyards due to the issues with air pollution. Use the Adventure Kings Camp Oven Stove in your backyard with heat beads to get around this issue. This is a cracking bit of camping gear that every camper should own. It's exclusively available though at 4drivesupercentre.com.au, 4Drive Supercentre company stores and authorised dealers nationwide. It's on sale right now for a ripper price. Get online and check it out.